Say hi. You wanna go to school?
No.
You wanna go to see your teachers?
No.
You wanna go see your friends?
No.
So today is my day alone with the girl. आज बहुत ही interesting दिन होने वाला है. That's Casper. He's not feeling well since a couple of days, and he was very itchy and scratching himself last night and even panting. तो हम थोड़ा डर गए हैं. Come on, who wants orange? Amira, come, let's wash your face now. कल मैं थोड़े oranges लाई थी because some vitamin C is always good, especially when you're not feeling well.
Bless you. That's the way you wash the face all
In the morning. हाय गाइस, आज के व्लॉग में हम घर पर ही है. आज मेरी बड़ी बेटी अमायरा, शी इज़ एट होम बिकॉज शी wasn't feeling well since the last couple of days, and weekend था तो my husband was home and he took a day off yesterday which was Monday. उसको थोड़ा बुखार था and she had a little chest congestion as well, so just to be safe we also got a COVID test done, जिसका रिजल्ट अभी आज या कल तक आएगा. Good job. Now go keep it in the kitchen. Thank you. Casper is sad because he's not well. Casper's sad. Go give him a hug. Can you read the book again, please?
Okay.
Sit next to Anna and read the book, please.
Once upon a time, it's a kitchen. That's you. Once upon a time, there's a princess baby and then me. That's the end.
The end. कल रात मैंने साबूदाना सोक किया था, तो आज मैं खिचड़ी बनाऊंगी. ये एक्स्ट्रा ओट्स बचे थे तो इन सब को मिक्स करके मैं अपना ब्रेकफास्ट कर लूंगी. What is this? Chicken.
Clack, clack.
Cluck 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 cluck. A black sheep. Amira, let Anna read, please. You want Anna to read the book? Okay, don't snatch it from her, okay, beta? Vitamin water hai. I'm just going to put it in her glass a little bit. Some water to dilute it. See, there's pink water. You want to try it? Come, let's wear your pants now. Put your leg. Put the other one.
I don't want it.
हमारा पूल फाइनली खुल गया है. The pool guys came on the weekend and it's ready to use now. मैंने टीवी लगा दिया है, the good old Peppa Pig that most kids love, and just so that I can enjoy my breakfast in peace. Sit here, Anna. So Anna is finally napping. She takes 2 naps in a day. उसका पहला nap होता है 2 घंटे का और दूसरा nap around 1 to 1.5 hours.
Currently, we're only seeing walk-ins. We have appointments, but they're fully booked.
Okay.
So he would have to come in as a walk-in. With walk-ins, I can't determine exactly how long the wait will be. We're getting a lot of phone calls right now, so it can change. It could be an hour, it could be 3 or 4 hours. We don't really know.
So अभी सिचुएशन ये है कि हमें कैस्पर के वेट की अपॉइंटमेंट मिली है 1:30 को, जो कि अमायरा के नैप के टाइम के साथ क्लैश होता है. सो आई डोंट नो हाउ दैट्स गोइंग टू वर्क. तो अभी बजे है 11:09. आई हैव अबाउट हाफ एन आवर, तो तब तक मैं लंच बना लेती हूँ. आई पैक अप द लंच फॉर अमायरा. तब तक आधे घंटे में एना उठ जाएगी. देन आई फीड हर, चेंज हर, एंड देन तब तक अमायरा के नैप का टाइम हो जाएगा. अमायरा की कार सीट हमने निकाली थी तो शायद से हमने वापस लगाई नहीं है. आई गो एंड चेक दैट. इफ नॉट देन माई हस्बैंड विल एक्सप्लेन इट टू मी ओवर वीडियो कॉल हाउ टू पुट इट बैक. I'll take both the kids with Casper to the vet. I don't know how that's going to work, but I'm trying not to panic. मैंने सोचा था चाय पी लूँगी आराम से with no disturbance, but as you saw, ये तो होना ही था. अमायरा के लिए हल्दी वाला दूध बना रही हूँ. सो हल्दी और थोड़ा सा हनी. I feel so bad for not being able to give her a lot of one-on-one attention, which I thought I would today because it's her day off. But Casper ka situation aa gaya and I was on the phone the whole time. She was just playing around and I know she's getting bored, but just that's how situation is right now. The car seat is not installed. As you can see, I have to put the buckle on, which I have no idea how to do. Car seat lag gayi hai, temporary solution. We've just put this seat belt and attached it. So I've put Amayra in her crib. It's 12 PM right now और अभी अनायता को उठाने का time हो गया because it's just over 2 hours now. Someone is already up. We have to take your brother to the vet. We have to take Casper to the vet because he is not feeling well. Will you come with Mama? Will you come with Mama? Will you come with Mama? I feel like I've tanned so bad already and it's just 1st of June. Have to remind myself to put sunscreen on multiple times a day because in the summertime we're like out in the backyard almost all the time. Okay, there's a change in the outfit. I got into this black dress because I think when you have a crazy day ahead of you and if you know it's going to be hard, if you just dress up well, it might, you know, change your perspective, give you more positivity and energy to get through the day. I just look at myself in the mirror while doing those activities. At least I feel like, you know, I'm more put together. Anna और मैं बाहर बैठे हैं backyard में and I'm having my lunch, which is sabudana khichdi. So I'm all packed up. Casper is here. Anna is in the back. Hi Amayra. We're all going to the vet now. Casper has gone inside to get checked by the vet. हम लोग यहाँ पर बाहर wait कर रहे हैं in the car. And we're back home. Oh my god, it was a tough ride. So Anna was a bit cranky. And Amayra had to give her Cocomelon, but made it home and everything is great. Casper is not, his condition is not too bad. I'm just putting in Amayra's health card number into the website to check for her COVID results. Yes, it's negative. That's a good thing. We knew that it's not COVID, but just to rule that out, and her daycare needs that. So that's out of the way and she looks pretty good. So shayad kal wo daycare ja payegi. I'm just gonna call her daycare and talk to her teacher and then see. 3 baj gaye hai and I'm super exhausted today. Amu, are you feeling okay?
No.
Everything you ask her, it's only no. Water. So ये 2 दवाई दी है वेट ने कैस्पर के लिए जो हमें इसे देनी है. So yes, that stuff is sorted, but he seems okay now. Like he's not panting or he's not scratching himself at the moment. His heart rate was fine, his lungs were okay, he was breathing fine. So yeah, none of that is a concern. Good girl. Chalo 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 gaadi. बैकयार्ड का मज़ा समर में सबसे ज़्यादा आता है. So thankful we have this space in our home. Are you having fun, Amira? शाम का टाइम है और अनायता भी उठ गई है. At this point I feel like I need an actual adult to talk to. Apart from calling the vet's office or calling Amira's school teacher, a real one-on-one adult conversation, like not like in that sense adult conversation, but like just like a grown-up conversation, other than these two little monkeys who don't understand what I say. Sweep and clean the floor, then we'll put your mat on the floor and put your toys, okay? What are you eating? Yum! ऐना सोच रही है ये क्या खा रही है जो मैंने मिस कर दिया. Are you doing yoga there? The water spout. Down came the rain. Wash the spider up. If you're happy and you know it and you really wanna show it, you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, kiss Anna. If you're happy and you know it, kiss Anna. If you're happy and you know it, kiss Mama. Now see this? Incy Wincy spider went up the water spout. Always begging for food. That's why you fall sick, Casper. हाथ से खाना खिलाने का जो satisfaction होता है बच्चों को, that is just unmatchable. I'm so grateful and thankful कि Amira is eating well now. She's eating khichdi. से पहले she had dahi chawal. So she's getting her appetite back. Feels so good. Anna is looking like, what about me? So happy that today's day went so well.
Yes, Baba.
Casper को मिले the star of today. Amira, can you show what you drew?
Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.